Juice without limits. Ninja NeverClog Cold Press Juicer. Powerful, pulp-controlled, mess-free juicing magic. Meet the juicer that redefines fresh. The Ninja JC151 NeverClog Cold Press Juicer. This powerhouse tackles everything from crisp apples to tough leafy greens without skipping a beat. Engineered with Ninja's unique NeverClog technology, it powers through the toughest ingredients for truly non-stop juicing. Say goodbye to pulp frustration and hello to a smooth, uninterrupted flow of nutrients in every glass. Every single time. Craving a little or a lot of pulp? The Ninja Cold Press Juicer has your back with Total Pulp Control, offering 2 interchangeable pulp filters to customize each sip. Choose less pulp for a clean, refreshing juice or lots of pulp for a thick, satisfying blend. Whether you're a pulp lover or a smooth sipper, this juicer adapts perfectly to your preference, making each juice as unique as you are. Cleanup has never been easier. The Ninja Cold Press Juicer is dishwasher safe, so every part that touches juice gets a thorough clean without the hassle of hand washing. The anti-drip lever means no messy counters, while the dishwasher safe parts make post-juice cleanup a breeze. Forget the chaos of other juicers. Ninja's design is made for simplicity and ease, perfect for daily use and family-sized batches. Thanks to Ninja's powerful high-torque motor, this juicer crushes whole fruits and veggies with ease. The slow, cold press technology preserves maximum nutrients, giving you a drink that's bursting with natural goodness. Plus, with the generous 24-ounce juice jug and 36-ounce pulp container, you can make enough for the whole family without stopping to empty. This juicer doesn't just make juice, it makes life deliciously easy. Compact and counter-friendly, the Ninja Cold Press Juicer fits effortlessly into any kitchen space. It's powerful, easy to use, and delivers juice like a pro-grade machine. If you're looking for superior quality, lasting durability, and an efficient, hassle-free juicing experience, the Ninja NeverClog Cold Press Juicer is worth every drop. It's time to juice smarter, not harder. Bring home Ninja's best today.